Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add motion blur to your videos in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects, and this menu right here where you can get started with creating your composition. So go ahead and fill out all the info regarding your composition, select the quality, all the info that you need, and click OK, and now we can get started with our project. So guys, go ahead and open up the project, or if you do not already have one, create one new one, and we can go ahead and get started with adding motion blur to our video. So if you do not know how to add a video, we can just go to the file option right here in the upper left corner, click on import, and next to import we have the option to add a file or multiple files, whatever we need, and after adding them they're going to appear right here. So get your video and drag it to the project right here, and now we can get started with motion blur. So guys, it's very easy to add motion blur. We only need one click. Basically guys, find the video that you want to add motion blur to, select it and select the layer it is on, and after that guys we can find this option right here, this button as you can see right here that says motion blur. So we're going to go ahead and find motion blur right here under the render queue, and as you can see here is motion blur, simulates shutter effects, as you can see right here, shutter duration, and we can click on that, and this is going to enable motion blur on any part of our video that we want to use right here that you can select on the timeline. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.